right? This is page 95, doing numbers 1 through 4. Okay. All right, so the first one says, which of the following values is the average rate of change? Okay, or average rate. Well, average rate, which we should grab your, well, average rate just means the slope over that interval. Okay, so grab your memorization sheet and put that on there. So I would say number 26 is average rate over interval A to B, okay, was going to be f of B minus f of A over, it's hard to write with my holding it, so hang on. Over B minus A, okay? All right, so that's all it is. It's just the slope because you're given an interval. So you're just going to do f of 3 minus f of 0 over 3 minus 0, which would be root 4 minus root 1 over 3, which is 2 minus 1 over 3, so 1/3, which is D. Okay? All right, number 2. All right, which one is false? Okay, which one is false is a toughie. But what we're going to do is we're going to take each one at a time and talk about here. So you're definitely going to need to follow along with this. I'm not going to rewrite it. But the limit as x goes to 4 exists. Now, in order for a limit to exist, you just have to check it from the left and right. So the limit as x goes to 4 from the left of f of x equals, okay, so from the left of 4 would be stuff that's less than 4. So x has to be on the left of 4, okay? So here, so I would plug 4 into here. So it'd be 3/4 times 4, which is 3, okay? And then the limit as x goes to 4 from the right of f of x. So now you find the one where x is on the right of 4. So it would be this one, okay? Plug in 4 here. So that's going to be negative 4 plus 7, which is 3. And those match. So then that means that the limit as x goes to 4 of f of x is 3. Okay? So A is true. I mean, it exists. Or it's true. Okay, B. F of 4 exists. Well, then you just find where it has equal to 4. So this does not equal 4. This equals 4 is 2. All right, I already know the answer now. If the limit doesn't match the function value, then it's not continuous at 4, okay? So I'm just going to skip straight on down to E, okay, and say, oh, but E says f is continuous at x equals 4. Okay, that's false, because f of 4 doesn't equal the limit as x goes to 4 of f of x. Those have to equal each other for it to be continuous, and one's 2 and one's 3, okay? So I know E is false. So I just skipped right over B and C and D, no, C and D, okay? But you would check 6 the same way, left and right, okay? Would you plug in 6, you get 1, and you plug it, and then that one's 1. So that one exists. And 8 from the left. So 8 from the left would also be 1. It exists because it's just a left-hand limit. Okay? All right, number 3. All right. It says, which of the following is an equation for the tangent line to 9 minus x squared at x equals 2? Okay, so I just find the derivative, and then I use the x, y's that I need. Okay, so f prime of x is negative 2x. And then I'm going to plug it in. So f prime of 2 is negative 4. That is the slope. And then I want y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, I have x1, that's 2, x equals 2. And I have the m is -4, but I don't have y1, so I need to still figure it out. So f of 2, so f of 2, not f prime of 2. F of 2 is 9 minus 4, which is 5. So now I have the y value. So now I'll do y minus 5 equals -4, x minus 2. Okay, and then you gotta solve it for y because they like them solved for y. So then that's y minus 5 equals -4x plus 8. Now add 5. 13. So B. All right, and then number 4. Okay, so this one says find f of 3. I mean, those are just straight up plug them in stuff. So f of 3 is 2 times 3, which is 6, minus 9, so -3. B. F of 3 plus h is 2 times 3 plus h minus 3 plus h squared. Okay, and it didn't ask me to, but I see where it's going, so I'm going to need to FOIL this out and stuff just to simplify so that when I put these together, I can simplify even more. Okay. Okay, so then now I'm going to do, that's 2, or no. Let me just bring it down here because it's getting messy over there. So that's 6 plus 2h minus, okay, now don't FOIL this. You got to do 3 plus h times 3 plus h. I mean, sorry, don't distribute your exponent. That's bad. You got to FOIL. So then that's 9. And I'm going to remember it's minus, so I'm just going to do like minus each one of these as I get them. So minus 9 minus 3h minus 3h minus h squared. So then I get 6 minus 9. So I'm going to write the first. So -h squared. And then that's 6 by 4, so minus 4h. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, so minus 3. Okay, and then C says to find f of 3 plus h minus f of h. So that would just be this one. So it'd be -h squared minus 4h minus 3. That'd be f of 3 plus h. I already did that. Minus f of 3, which is minus -3 all over h. So then I can take out an h out of everybody. So then that's h, -h minus 4 over h. So then I get -h minus 4. Okay? And then D, it says to find the instantaneous rate of change at 3. So you just plug in h equals 0. Gives -4. And that's the instantaneous, because this was, what this is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h. And that is instantaneous rate of change, or f prime at a value.